Good evening. I am Dr. Namr Joshi, Cultural Coordinator at SVKM Institute of Technology, Dhule. Today we are celebrating our annual Cultural and Sports Fest, that is the Splash 2025. This is the 7th edition of annual Sports and Cultural Meet of SVKM Institute of Technology, Dhule.
Good evening. Myself, Manoj Sonar. I am working as a physical director at SVKM IOT. We are very happy to share this is the 7th year we are celebrating annual sports meet. We always encourage students to play at national, inter-university and state level.
Splash is an annual cultural fest of SVKM Institute of Technology, and this particular event provides a platform to the students to showcase their talent in the cultural activities and the sports activities, and overall development of the students is taking place through the Splash as a medium.
Excited to perform on this stage of Splash. We have been practicing our dance since very long days, so I hope that it goes all well.
स्प्लैश में, that is 2K26.
तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।
गुड बाय।